Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram Reels lagging in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having any lag issue in your Instagram Reels, that your Reels are being lagged. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. You just have to simply open your App Store here, and very first you have to make sure that you haven't any updates for your Instagram app. So here you have to make sure that you are up to date, and after doing that you just have to go back and you have to retry if your issue is fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so it might be that there will be any bug or any malware into your Instagram app, or mm, they're very much cached. So you just have to open your settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage, and you have to simply look for Instagram app here and try to offload this app. Once you have offloaded the app, you'll get a reinstall the app option here. You just have to reinstall the app after offloading. Just tap on this reinstall app, and after reinstallation, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.